What up, you global bitches? Back for another edition of How Stupid I Am. Yeah, Glober edition. Globers, let me tell you something. I'm sorry, but I gotta tell you, this irks me. I love catching you fucking Globers in traps, watching you moonwalk, watching you fall in the hole. I like playing with the string, seeing you grab for it, try to get up out the hole. Nope, you're gonna stay down inside of that motherfucker. You lucky I don't throw dirt on top of you, but I'm just gonna let you sit in that fucking hole till your fucking brain matures, till you can start thinking for its fucking self. Okay? Let me tell you something about the hole I like walking motherfuckers in. You global motherfuckers. When you globers, and let me say this, you globers love, you motherfuckers love trying to say how us flat earthers don't agree on everything, how some believe this, some believe that. It's okay. I say it's okay. I don't give a fuck. We ain't supposed to agree on everything. But you globers, for some reason, think there's some victory for y'all that we don't agree on everything. But let's talk about the shit that you sons of bitches don't agree with. This one point right here, I'm about to tell you. The sun. Let's talk about the sun. Now, I ask you global bitches all the motherfucking time, and I get a myriad of responses. I get this answer, that answer. I ask you simple. Does the sun move? Yes or no, Globers? What do you say? Some of y'all probably say no. If you got sense, some of y'all say yeah. I want to speak to all the Globers that said yeah, the sun moves. You know what you just did, Globers? And every time I catch them in this, they moonwalk better than Michael Jackson. They back up out this shit so fast. And I simply ask them, I say, hey, Globers, does the sun move? And when they say yeah, that's when I got them. You are admitting to a flat earth proof. Yes, we believe the sun moves. Why? Because we can observe it moving. It literally is moving around the fucking earth. Why is that so hard to understand? Yes, proof that the sun is moving and not the earth spinning is that the horizon, how many times have I said this, people? The horizon does not fade evenly. Do you know what I mean by that? Let me help you. Imagine the moon when it's a half a moon and the Terminator line is right across that motherfucker and it looks like a big D in the sky. That is not what we observe with the earth. Okay? It's not reality. Just because, that's why you need to stop looking at the moon and sun thinking you can figure out what the fuck you live on. Because it doesn't have anything to do with anything. The sun is moving about the earth, causing day and night. When we can't see the sun's light anymore, it is dark. Simple. Why? The horizon doesn't fade evenly. You can easily test this simple experiment. Take a ball, roll it around, shine a light on it. You will see a straight Terminator line on it. You roll it, you'll see a straight line go across that thing the whole way. Why? That's what happens on a ball when light is shined upon it. If you think the sun is 93 fucking million miles away, the light will be hitting the ball parallel, therefore causing a Terminator line on the earth. But we don't observe that. You only observe that in pictures, NASA photos, ISS vids. But anyway, the sun moving is a flat earth proof. Why? Your heliosatanic system preaches the sun is the center of the universe. It is static. Do you know what static means? Static means it doesn't move. Like you go to a air show and you see an airplane on a static display, it just means it's not moving. The sun is still, is what a lot of you globers believe, and that the earth is spinning. And that is easily disproved because the horizon does not fade evenly. Plenty of time-lapse videos of the sun moving. You can see clouds moving the other way. That's disproving that the atmosphere is moving 1,000 miles an hour. But you can see all that, and you guys just ignore it. Why? Why, Globers? You have to stop this bullshit. When you admit that the sun is moving, you are admitting a flat earth proof. Period. You are acknowledging a geocentric universe. Because you admit that the sun is fucking moving. And I'm tired of your stupid ass fucking, your bullshit ass excuses that you like giving. When I catch you, when I tell you, uh-oh, you fucked up, I hit you with that menace in society shit. I say, you know you done fucked up, right? And I tell them, and you know what they say? Well, no, Freddie. I mean, everything moves. I mean, well, you know, the whole universe is moving, and you know, it's like, it's called excuses. That's what that shit's called, excuses. You just admitted that the sun moves. And when I proceed to tell you why the sun moving is a flat earth proof, you don't get to moonwalk out of it. You don't get to say, oh no, I didn't mean it that way. No, the fuck you did mean it. Because you're not completely fucking stupid. You got a little sense of fucking knowledge that you can go outside and observe the fucking sun moving. There's ways to fucking do this. You Globers, man, wake the fuck up, please. I beg you, Globers. Use your fucking brain that God gave you. It's simple, man. You motherfucker. And I just want to throw one more thing in there. Your 24-hour daylight. You know, is it true? They're doing some bullshit in Antarctica. They're cutting live. They tell you they're giving you live stream, live videos of 24 hours, and they cut. They do that shit. They do it. But my thing is, who gives a fuck? Who cares how much sunlight it is in the southern? They won't show us, but does it happen? Maybe. Might. So what? It doesn't mean we live on a fucking ball flying through fucking space. The sun doesn't move in an exact perfect circle. It's spiraling around, going up and down, changing. I don't know. Look, I'm just trying to tell y'all, Globers, you got to stop this shit. When you admit that the sun moves, you are admitting to a flat earth proof. Okay? Truth. Proof. Get it right, Globers.